Okay, so I'm going to stop here and I'm going to put on a chuck, a 4-jaw chuck that's going to be able to grab this end, and then I'm going to drill the holes that I'll need to insert the ring that receives the bolt from the mallet head. So I just need to kind of tunnel into this end now that I have this relatively rounded out and smooth all the way around, so that the irregularity of the shape is gone now. So now's a good time to, like I said, grab onto this part. Okay, it's Forstner, but it's got a little bit of burnt wood smell, but should have a nice clean hole. All this pretty much close to good. How we do here?